Have you ever felt uncertain or afraid to face life's biggest challenges? What if I told you that within you lies the strength to overcome anything? Lord Krishna's teachings can help you unlock the power of self-belief and confidence. Let's dive into a story where Krishna shows us how to rise above our doubts and fear and step into our true power. Welcome to Krishna Wisdom with Muskan, where we explore the timeless wisdom of Lord Krishna to guide and inspire us through life's challenges. If you're looking for the strength to overcome your fears and doubts, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned as we explore a powerful story that will transform the way you see yourself and your potential. Once upon a time, in the land of Hastinapur, there was a young prince named Arjuna, renowned for his bravery and skills in archery. But one day, Arjuna found himself in a deep state of confusion and fear. He was about to go into battle against his own family members, people he loved, and the world seemed uncertain. His mind was filled with doubts, and his heart was heavy with fear. Arjuna stood on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, gazing at the opposing side, which was filled with people he had grown up with. He asked himself, how can I fight my own family? How can I kill those who have taught me, nurtured me, and guided me? His confidence vanished, and he felt as though the world was crumbling beneath him. In this moment of despair, Arjuna turned to his charioteer, Lord Krishna, for guidance. Krishna, with his divine wisdom and compassion, saw Arjuna's inner turmoil. He spoke gently, yet with the authority of truth, Arjuna, you are not just a warrior. You are the one chosen to bring about justice. Your purpose in this life is to fight for what is right, and that is the only thing you must focus on. Arjuna, still confused and lost, asked Krishna, but Krishna, I fear the consequences. I fear I may not be strong enough to do what is necessary. What if I fail? Krishna looked at Arjuna and replied, fear comes when you doubt your true strength. You are not just the body you see in the mirror. You are the soul, eternal and fearless. The power within you is limitless, but you must believe in yourself. Fear only holds you back from your true potential. Krishna continued, when you are aligned with your true purpose, you will find the courage you seek. Your weapons are not just your bow and arrow, but your mind and heart. When your actions are based on righteousness and truth, you will find strength beyond what you know. Do not let fear or doubt take away your confidence. Trust in yourself, and remember, you are never alone. Krishna reminded Arjuna that every challenge is an opportunity to rise above the limitations we place on ourselves. By focusing on our purpose, not the obstacles, we unlock the power within us. He explained that the only way to conquer fear and doubt was to act with determination, regardless of the outcome. Arjuna listened carefully to Krishna's words and began to understand. He realized that his real battle was not with his family members, but with his own doubts and fears. He needed to stand tall, confident in his strength and his duty. Krishna had taught him that true confidence comes not from the fear of failure, but from the trust we place in our own abilities and the divine guidance that always supports us. With Krishna's wisdom and guidance, Arjuna regained his confidence. He stood tall on the battlefield, no longer paralyzed by fear. With renewed strength and belief in his purpose, he moved forward, ready to fulfill his duty with honor and courage. Moral of the story: Krishna's teachings remind us that self-doubt and fear are natural, but they do not define us. True strength comes from believing in our abilities and staying aligned with our purpose. When we have faith in ourselves and trust the divine guidance within, we can face any challenge with confidence and courage. Thank you for watching this inspiring story. Remember, just like Arjuna, you have the power within you to overcome any fear and doubt. Krishna's teachings guide us to trust ourselves and face life's challenges with courage. Keep the faith, and you'll see the difference. For more motivational stories and teachings from Lord Krishna, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Krishna Wisdom with Muskan for more life-changing wisdom. Stay connected for more.